It's currently 6:34. We're leaving Estella. Today I've taken it a bit more easy because I've only got 7 kilometers to do. How's that wine?
Oh,
Good?
Really good. Divine, yeah.
Excellent.
Oh, divine.
Go again, go.
Excellent.
Fuente del vino. Vamos. Is there any? No. Buen camino.
Buen camino. How is it?
Healing for a second. I said
Healing. So which one do you suggest?
Well, this one is the traditional one, and it's
I want to be traditional.
Yeah, I think it's more
Is this harder or is easier?
No, it's flatter and there's more towns in the way. I like that idea.
Let's do that one then.
okay. Well, you can go to Villa Mayor, which is a place where they can give you a glass of free sangria.
Okay. Excellent.
Our own wine.
What we get?
Yes, pretty much.
We'll come back tomorrow again to do it again.
Yeah.
Don't say it.
Oh, I won't. I'm going to keep the secret. Don't worry.
You should have said, okay, that way's hilly, no villages. That way there's free sangria.
Free sangria. Then we would have gone anyway.
make the choice ourselves.
Then
it's a reward.
Yes, look at this. Once I told you what's the two options, you said, maybe that one, maybe this one.
Yeah.
And the other thing, that one is not, doesn't have any like internet, or it's like a really good.
Oh yeah, definitely this way then.
They are so far so good. I don't want to think about it too much. So,
What's going on? No idea.
every function within the food business will be impacted. Stuff like that. So,
Yeah, I've been thinking about that as well. Because digitalization is taking so many jobs from people.
I think this one is manned. Hola! Hola, buongiorno! Come va? Tutto bene? Grazie! Oh, there's even the jumbe.
What did you do your teacher then?
So I'm walking all the way to Azqueta, I think that's how you call it. And I'll be leaving these guys suddenly.
I've been very lucky.
But it's okay. I'm coming back next month and I'm really looking forward to come back and do the Camino. It's been buon camino, buon camino. It's been an incredible experience. Really enjoyed it from the beginning to the end. I think the end was much better because, as I said, when you do the Camino with other people, it's a different, totally different experience.
Yeah, sure. What does that mean?
You have to go take a test.
No dogs involved. Sunscreen involved.
Sunscreen. Is everybody else's shoulders getting tight?
I think Azqueta is just up the hill here, so I'm nearly done with the Camino. It's currently 9:17. I need to wait till 11 o'clock for the bus, so I'll probably just sit at the bar, have something to eat, just chill, just relax. This is my end of my Camino, basically. Yeah, what an incredible journey, really. I know I say this many times, but I just cannot believe I've done it. It must be one of the best things I've ever done in my life. Not so much for the walk itself, but for everything, you know. As I said, the people, the views, the little towns that I've gone through, the people that I've spoken to. When you travel solo, it's very difficult to socialize with people, but on the Camino de Santiago I found that it was very easy. And everyone has got the same mindset. Everyone wants to get to that destination. It hasn't been very easy for many people with injuries, pain, but you sort of learn how to get over pain when you do the Camino. I've been quite lucky, as I said. I haven't had any blisters. I could probably do it all the way to Santiago now. I would like to think that I would not have any physical issues, but it is what it is. There's always another time, and as I said again, the Camino is something that you don't have to do in one go. You choose what kind of Camino you want to do. You don't have to be the same like everyone else. Everyone chooses the way they want to do the Camino, so yeah. We have arrived in Azqueta. Azqueta.
I've been all I've summited it.
Funny, I didn't notice it until now that I've said that. Is it a brand?
Yeah.
Oh.
They would have had a good laugh.
Hello to Santiago for me.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
Postcard from, well, we're not going to Santiago.
You're only going to Logroño. I'll go to Logroño before you.
I'll say hi for you.
Yes.
It's okay.
And I'll see you on the Camino de Santiago sometime in the future. You never know. Sometimes people meet again, so
Yeah.
all the best, Mark. All the
meet
best,
you.
my friend. All the best. See you later, guys. Take care, yeah. Enjoy. Enjoy il Camino, eh. A dopo. I'll film you as you walking away with sadness.
We wave.
Yes.
Hold on a second.
So, guys,
Hold on a second.
we need to say buen camino. That's good luck, isn't it?
Should we like walk away for 15 seconds?
Yeah, and then turn around and I'll say buen camino. All right.
1 second. No, we go saying goodbye and then go and then turn around.
Yes. All right.
Okay.
Ok guys, buon cammino, buon cammino ragazzi. Ciao. Ciao. Buon cammino Pellegrino. I really wish I could have walked with them all the way to the end, but this is it.